Hi, third grade. It's Miss Smith. I'm here to show you the website called BeFunky. This is a website that will help you create your digital collage online. If you find another website, please feel free to use it. Or if you don't want to use a website and you want to do it in paper, you can. I'm only going to show you a tutorial video on this website. So here we go. You can either go to Google and Google search BeFunky, or you can go up to the search bar and type in befunky.com and it will take you to the online collage creator. So you can sign in or get started. I'm going to go ahead and get started. And we want to create a collage. So the only downfall with this is the free items are limited. So this is one I played around with earlier. I do not want to continue editing. I want to start new. So it looks like if you leave the website and you come back in, it will save it for you. So what I noticed though before is you're very limited. The best way to make this is using the image manager. The other stuff you can use, but you're limited because we're not going to pay for this. So I like the 9 square grid, 3x3 square. You guys can choose other layouts, which are right here. You can create your own. There's featured. There's all kinds of stuff. I like the grid. So you can also change the color. My favorite color is blue, so I'm going to make it blue. You can also do the spacing of your squares and the rounded corners, which I like the rounded. So I like that. I think it looks great. So patterns, you can do some patterns. Those will just go in your boxes, so I might use those as fillers if I need to. Let's see. Yeah, cool. So if there's really nothing much there, but you can play around with that. And then graphics, there's only a small amount of graphics that you can use. Text, I'm going to add text first because I want my name. So I'm going to click in it and I'm going to do Miss Smith Collage. And looks like you can change the text font. So find a font I like. Anything with the star you cannot use. So it looks like a bunch of them. Oh, can you only use... Okay, so maybe you don't have a lot of fonts to choose from. Okay, so this is Collage. I chose a font. The font color you can change. I'm going to leave it black for right now. Spacing. Okay, and the size. I definitely want it bigger and bold. Right now there's no color for the background. I want to give it color, so let's do like a lighter blue. Cool. Outline, you can have an outline. So maybe I want my outline color to be green. And then I want to center it. So we got that. I'm going to drag it up to the top. And now I can insert my images. So as you can see, I already have some images that I found that I like. So I'm going to go ahead and drag my cactus in there because I really like plants. But I'm going to search here first. So I like cats. I have a cat named Rocket. So I'm going to find a cat on here. See if I can find a black and white cat. That kind of looks like Rocket. Black one. Okay, no luck, but that one's cute. So I like that one. Food. Let's click on food and see. Ooh, berries. I love berries. Avocado. See, I love mashed potatoes. There we go. All right, so I picked some images. Whenever you're done, you're going to X out, and then you can click and drag your images in the boxes. There we go. Add the potatoes. And then the berries. Picture of the cat. Okay, so as you can see here, I have a picture of my husband and I, and what I did was I went to computer and I found the image that I've already saved in my computer, and then it saved it. So I'll go back. Oh, that's a good picture. So then I'm going to open it. This is a picture of a Lego creation that a fourth grader made. So I'm going to drag that in there. Perfect. And then I'm going to drag a picture of my husband and I in there. And I still need 2 more pictures. I'm going to go back to the image manager, which I'm already in. And I'm going to search, let's see, what else do I like? Steam. Let's see if they have anything for Steam. Yeah, a lot of things are just literally Steam. Let's do teacher. Perfect. That looks like teacher. And the beach. I live by the beach. Ocean. So got my 2 pictures. I'm going to X out and I should be able to find those right there. Perfect. Just drag them in. All right. So you could add more text if you want or graphics, but I'm going to be done. So whenever you think you are finished, you're going to click on save and you can save it to your computer. You can save as project. You can even do a Google Drive. So if it were me, I would save it as your Google Drive and I would file name it your name. So Miss Smith Collage and click on save. Then this is going to pop up and it's going to ask you to sign into your Google account. Make sure you sign into your Urban Discovery account. You're going to see all this. You want to click on allow because you're allowing the right for BeFunky to get into your Google account. All right, and now it's going to ask me where I want to save it. So I'm going to save it in well, I thought I had a Steam file, but I don't. So I'm going to save it in this folder. So select. All right, the image is saved. So now you just want to go to your drive. If you don't know how to go to your drive, just always go to Google. I call it the waffle, these Google apps. And click on your drive. and it should be in the folder where you saved it, which I saved it in Advisory Kids. I'm going to click on that. Well, it's not there. Maybe I'll go to my recent and see if it's there. All right, I don't see it. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click on save to my computer. So that way it's on my computer. And if it were me, I would save it as a PNG. A JPEG will work, or a PDF. It's totally up to you, but I'm saving it as a PNG. And I'm going to click on save. Okay, and then it downloaded to your computer. Then you can email me the image if you would like. And that is how to create a digital collage. Good luck and have fun, guys. Bye.